Weekends, the days of the week that are traditionally considered a break from school or work, usually consisting of Saturday and Sunday. Relax, to take a break and rest, to not do any work. Play, to engage in activities for fun and enjoyment. Family, a group of people who are related to each other. Activities, things that people do for fun or to keep busy. Rest, to relax and not do anything tiring. Break, a short period of time when you stop doing something to relax or have a snack. Fun, activities that bring enjoyment and happiness. Sleep in, to stay in bed longer than usual in the morning. Parks, outdoor areas with grass, trees, and usually playgrounds. Picnic, a meal eaten outdoors. Movies, a form of entertainment that involves watching films. Adventure, an exciting or unusual experience. Explore, to travel around a new place to see and learn about it. Museum, a building where objects of historical, scientific, or artistic interest are kept and displayed. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I love weekends, because I don't have to work. 2. After a long day, I like to relax on the couch. 3. Let's play some games at the park with friends. 4. My family is coming over for dinner tonight. 5. There are many fun activities to do at the beach. 6. Sometimes, it's nice to just rest and do nothing. 7. I can't wait for the school break next week. 8. Going to the zoo is always a fun time. 9. On weekends, I like to sleep in and wake up late. 10. Let's go to the parks and have a picnic. 11. This weekend, we're going to have a picnic at the park. 12. Do you want to watch movies together on Saturday? 13. Going on a hike is a great adventure for us. 14. I want to explore the new neighborhood this weekend. 15. We should visit the museum downtown next weekend.